Guys, so welcome back. So I bring you guys a mini haul today, 4 palettes in total. So I got the box right here. Let's open it. So everything is a bubble wrapped. It comes with a little card and it says Amor'us USA, you shine brighter than the summer sun. So yeah, I ordered this in August. With my order, they did give me a free brightening facial mask. I think that's pretty nice of them to add like a little gift, you know, for supporting them. So the first one is the Macaroon Magic. I love the packaging, the little macaroons everywhere. It's super cute. And they do come with the names on the back. Look at those colors, they're so pretty. The second palette I purchased is the Tea Time Fantasy. And these ones come with the names in the back, so we will see if they come inside. Oh, they do come in the back. Come in the back, just like the other ones. And they do come inside as well. So this one is more of a neutral palette. So it looks like this. So the third palette is the Hibiscus Dream. It's so pretty as well. And this one just comes with the names in the front. And these are the colors here. And then the last one is the Dazzle Charm. I just love their packaging, guys. And this one looks like this. So this one's a colorful palette as well. Just a little different from the other one. But I am excited for all of these palettes. So I am going to be doing a video for each of these palettes, using the macaroon palette because I love macaroons. So I'm kind of feeling like the green and then a little bit of these purples here, but we will see. So I'm going to be using green pixel. I've noticed that the camera looks a little more yellow, but it does have a tint of green. So this eyeshadow is called Green Pixel and it's a very pretty color. The only thing that I did notice is that it did kind of fade away, and that was my fault for not applying no eyeshadow base, guys. It's called Hawaiian Tarot or Tarot. It's such a very pretty pinky purple shadow, and then this one it's a little more pigmented than the green one. I'm just going to be adding the same colors to the bottom. For the green, I'm going to be switching it to a smaller brush. So the same thing is happening with that green shadow on the bottom of my eyes. It's not picking up as much. And it's so annoying, guys, because I can't believe I forgot to add the eyeshadow base. This look would have came out way better. It did turn out to be a pretty look at the end. These are on the dramatic side, but they're the ones that are like kind of crazy looking, but I think they are pretty. Here did forget to record the part where I add Lime Cocktail to the inner corner, which is a green shimmer shadow. I'm going to be moving on to lips, and for lips I am going to go in with a nude lip just because the eyes are very colorful and bright, and I am going to be applying some mascara on the bottom. I'm going to be going in with this nude lipstick in Honey from Joa or Joa, what I think it's Joa. Pretty nude here. So this is the finished look. I like it a lot. So pretty. Absolutely love this palette. Not disappointed. And I do have high hopes for the other palettes. So let's go over the names, and I'm going to be doing the swatches for you guys as well. And I'm going to be going from top to bottom, so in the rows. So this is the first row, and the first one is coconut drizzle, and then topping caramel, sweet chocolate, and lime cocktail, which is the green one. So for the second row, we are starting off with this light peach color called pumpkin spice, then creamy strawberry, tasting almond, and pistachio delight. For the third row, this is called fresh mocha, then exciting lemon, followed by tropical mango and green pixel, which is the one that I used today. This shadow is called feeling peachy, cherry marble is the second one, then dainty rose, and the last one is shy grape. Next row, the first shadow, it's called brandy apricot, then festive champagne, glowing blackberry, and the last one is fresh cassis. Starting off with silver brush, and this one is matcha myth. This one is called pastel apple, and the last one it's blue moon. So this one we are starting with blue martini, and then peppermint swan is this one here, followed by mouthful coffee, and the last one is sea foam. This is the last row here, and then this one is called lacy lavender. This one is swirling raspberry, Hawaiian Tarot, and the last one is dwarf blueberry. And here is a close-up of the palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. $15, very inexpensive, cute packaging, everything. I just love everything about this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye.